everyone, this is Iris from MeriTech Power. Today we are going to talk about AC coupling and DC coupling. Installing solar systems with storage batteries is becoming increasingly popular amongst consumers in solar markets. There are many benefits to adding a battery bank to a photovoltaic systems, including the complete energy independence, extra fees from tax credits or rebates, and even lower electricity bill. A hotly debated topic among the solar installers today is whether the AC coupling or DC coupling will be the best method for solar energy installation. The truth is, there is no right or wrong answer. Both of the methods have their advantages, and which one will be the best method entirely depends on your applications. So next part, we are going to learn the difference between AC coupling and DC coupling, the benefits of each, and you will have a better understanding of which system will be suitable for your property. First of all, what is AC coupling and DC coupling? In AC coupled systems, the solar panels generate DC power that flows into the inverter and convert it to AC power to power your home appliance. And all the power flowing to the batteries will be converted to DC power, and then converted back to AC power as the power that can be used by the load or the grid. In AC coupled systems, solar panels and batteries work through separate inverters and can be dispatched independently or together, which creates independently operation system. In DC coupled systems, the power from the solar panels will be directly used to charge the batteries without immediately conversion to AC power. Any electricity needed to power the appliance or fed into the grid will come from the battery as DC power, which will be converted to AC power by an inverter and work for the system. Besides, how do AC coupling and DC coupling working for solar systems? Next part, we are going to learn the working mode of these two systems. As we know, the solar panels absorbed energy from the sun and generated it to DC power. However, most home and many industry devices require AC power to operate. In addition, excess power will be fed into the grid, which runs on AC power in exchange for credits. Therefore, the power from solar panels must be converted to AC power before it can be used by the grid or fed into the grid. On the other hand, when charging the battery or discharging the batteries, the input or output power are both DC. Therefore, an inverter is also required when charging the batteries by the grid or discharging the batteries to the appliance. Based on this common sense, now we will have a better understanding of the working mode of these two systems. In AC coupled systems, the DC power from solar panels will all convert it to AC power so that you can use to power your appliance or fed into the grid, but it will be converted back to the DC power when charging the batteries. In addition, when discharging the batteries, the power will convert it to AC power again so that it can be used by the load or the grid. Therefore, it means that there are two inverters required in the AC coupled systems. One is AC to DC, another one is DC to AC. In the meanwhile, when you use the power from batteries, the power source has already undergone 3 times conversion. In DC coupled system, the DC power from solar panels will be delivered directly to the storage batteries without going through an inverter, but via a charge controller. When discharging the batteries, the electricity from the batteries will still need to be converted to AC power by an inverter, and this is the only one inverter required by DC coupled systems. Therefore, the DC coupling systems will be simpler than AC coupling systems since there is only one inverter required in this system. After learning these two systems, we believe you have the knowledge of the difference between them. Now let's make a summary here. It will be divided into 2 aspects. One aspect is the numbers of conversion from battery to the grid. In AC coupled systems, it needs converted 3 times, while in DC coupled systems, it needs converted only once. Second aspect is comparing to the AC coupling system. DC coupling system needs to install an extra device called charge controller. The charge controller will essentially limit the power going into the batteries to prevent the discharging and damage, which make the system more safety. Due to different system characteristics, they will present different degree of their matching under different usage scenario and requirements. And this also can be judged by the disadvantages and advantages, which will finally affect your choice. So next part, we are going to learn the advantages and disadvantages of these two systems. For AC coupled systems, there are mainly three advantages. First is the system reliability. Battery failure will not have a direct impact on the overall solar generation system in AC coupled system, and vice versa. Thanks to the presence of two inverters, and you get more combined power. Second one is the flexibility of upgrading. AC coupled systems are easy to upgrade and transform. It can be simply added to any home existing solar installation and support gradually expansion. Moreover, AC coupled systems support versatile charging. The battery can be charged by both the solar panels and the grid. If you can get enough power from the solar panels, you can rely on the grid. Its disadvantage is closely related to the characteristic of this system. Compared to the DC coupling system, AC coupling system has an extra inverter and the power distribution cabinets, which makes the production cost will be higher. And compared to the DC coupled system, AC coupled system has less efficient since the stored energy will undergo 3 times conversion. For DC coupled systems, there are also 3 advantages. The first one is the economy. In addition to less inverter, DC coupled system use the charge controller and switches, which makes the production cost less than the AC coupled system. The second one is high efficiency. Since the current only undergo 1 conversion, so the DC coupled system is 3% high efficient than the AC coupled system. What's more, DC coupling enables generators get most of the power out of the solar assets and avoid clipping or failure to produce energy due to the inverter power limitation. In AC coupled systems, residual power above the inverter threshold is lost. In DC coupled systems, the energy that would otherwise is clipped is installed in the battery until fully charged. For the disadvantage of DC coupled system, in addition to the inconvenience of the system upgrades, the flexibility of installation is also lower than AC coupled system. The inverter must be installed close to the battery to minimize the voltage drop. And because this system can be charged by the grid, if any link of this system out of control, you have to face the failure operation of this system. While AC coupled system and DC coupled system are both the good option for most people, but there are still something need to be considered when you're making a choice, and here are 2 suggestions for you. First and foremost, do you already have installed your solar system? If not, the DC coupled system will be a good and low-cost option. But if you already installed solar panels and wanted to add a storage system, then the AC coupled system will be your best choice. Secondly, do you use more loads during the day or at night? From the perspective of the photovoltaic utilization efficiency, these 2 schemes are totally different. If the users use more loads during the day and less at night, the AC coupled system will be suitable. The photovoltaic modules will generate power and directly supply to the load through a grid-tie inverter, and their efficiency can reach more than 96%. If the user has less load during the day and more at night, they have to store the energy in the batteries during the day and reuse it at night. DC coupling will be the best. The photovoltaic module will generate energy and store it in the batteries by controller. The efficiency will be around 95%. If it's AC coupled system, since the current needs to go over 3 times conversion, the efficiency will drop around 90%. This is all the information of AC coupled system and DC coupled system. As the combination of solar system with the storage batteries becoming more popular and mature, we hope that our comparison and information sharing of AC coupling and DC coupling will help you make a more informed choice for your system. If this information are helpful to you, please leave a message below. We are looking forward to discuss with you more. See you next time. Bye!